Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be making this cute candy cane garland. Perfect handmade gift for family or friends, or better yet, for yourself. I cut down a piece of wood I got from Dollar Tree and drilled a hole in the top center. Then I used my Waverly stain and stained the entire piece. After the stain had set up, I took the piece outside and spray painted it white. The garland actually turned out better than I expected. This is a simple handmade gift, perfect for family and friends this Christmas season. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Christmas videos every week, and I know you don't want to miss out on them. If you want to be notified when I do upload a new video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.